channel, guys. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Modification are the LED headlights, the engine guard with the fog light, saddle rack with comes with the additional footrest, the top box you can see, and the mobile holder. Starting with the top box. So this is the top box. So this is from Touch. This will cost you around 1300, and if you try to bargain you can actually make it even lesser also. So this is how the locking system is, and you push it on top, then you open the topper lock, and this is how it feels inside. And it's quite spacious also inside. You can keep a lot of items inside. So it comes also with the all kind of accessories, with the mat and everything, all those kind of stuff. And it says a max load of up to 3 kg. So locking system is very easy. In the same way, you have to just close it, move this on the top, and lock it. That's all. Any extra clamps, as it already comes with all the clamps and accessories. It fits perfectly in your Himalaya, if you see in the back. So just by fitting the clamp, it's all done, and it's pretty easy to even set up. My next modification is the bike lamination. So I've used the 3mm PPF, that is paint protective film. So for the entire bike, in protecting your bike from small scratches, and it helps you from the dust. So it cost me around 1800, and I have done a separate video on this bike lamination. Please do also watch it. Accessory is the saddle rack, which I have installed. So this is kind of a special saddle rack, and it is made up of a very good material, and you can see it can withhold a lot of weight. And this comes with an attached footrest as well. So another beauty of this saddle rack is that if you have too much of heavy saddlebags, you can keep this on the footrest and you can drive it. Okay, this holds as support, and it is pretty good and pretty impressive. And I have tried with my saddlebags, and it is very good. This would cost you about 1400 rupees for both the pieces. So it comes as a pair. This is this mobile holder. I bought this mobile holder for about 450 rupees. This comes with an additional leather kind of a thing where you can fix your mobile just to give a strong hold. And this is kind of a 360-degree rotate. You can rotate it however you want based on your preference. It also comes with the switch where you can switch it on and off whenever you feel like. So it is pretty good. It also have got blue LED when it's on charging. It's pretty good, and the make is also good. The quality is good. Next modification is this engine guard. So this will cost you about 1300. Comes with a pair. The make and the build quality is pretty good. You can see both the sides. The fog lamps. This is from LGP. This will cost you somewhere around 800 bucks for a pair of 2 lights. It has a wide angle coverage. It is more than sufficient to use it at the night. Let me on it and show you to you guys. So this is how it looks. It has a lot of power. I would say this is more than sufficient if you're going on a long rides, and this fog lamps is more than enough to cover the entire road. It also comes with a switch, so I placed it here. Here comes my next modification. So I have installed this LED headlights. So this will cost you around 2300, and it is pretty good. It has a wide coverage. Let me on it and show it to you guys. So basically this is how it looks. It comes with high beam, low beam, and also with the parking light with white and yellow. So I have preferred to put yellow lights, as it's kind of a different for me. Based on your preferences, you can choose between white and yellow. So let me show you how high beam looks. So this is how the high beam looks with the full view.